So this is our garden in late June 2023, and it's really just starting to recover from a pretty devastating winter. At the beginning of January, I couldn't envisage us recovering the garden at all. It was in such a state, and you can see it here. Pretty much everything looked dead, and the cordylines, all the stuff we spent money on and cared for, the cordylines of Washingtonia, and the bananas are all collapsed. The Chamaerops humilis, they all look pretty dead. There's a Washingtonia there, callistemon there on the right, that's definitely gone. And this border had just been completely wiped out. Now, the cordylines, I thought I'd take the dead stuff off and see if there's anything left. You'll see behind me, in that shot there was a live one. That was one I bought later on. The reason for the video is that we found that all was not lost. We got some like this seedling here. This is Ricinus blue giant. It actually grown from seed and survived in the ground, along with several other plants. There's Tigridia there. We also found some Eucomis and several other bits that we didn't think would actually survive, especially these cannas. Now these were just left in a unheated polytunnel and have popped up. The fig survived. We were a bit worried about that. And our gunnera survived without any protection at all, which we were quite pleased about. And now the phormiums, I cut those back. They've completely gone brown, and this is taken in June. This here, they've finally come back a few weeks ago and started to make a bit of extra growth. There's the gunnera. He's looking quite happy. But I think what I'm trying to say is that although you lose, like it was a particularly bad winter, we lost a lot of stuff, some plants will go on, and don't give up hope on your tropical garden. When I buy plants now, I'm certainly going to look into overwintering a bit more seriously. It does seem, though, that in the garden, life does continue one way or the other.